In this guide, you'll learn how to fit a Stellar X battery to an iPhone 11. This guide will cover 4 main steps: removing the BMS board from the original battery, wrapping, fitting and positioning the BMS correctly, testing and activating the battery, and finally installing the battery. Start by removing the BMS protective sticker with tweezers, being careful not to puncture the battery. With the battery turned over, peel the sticker back until the BMS becomes visible. Using a spudger, press gently above the BMS to lever the BMS away from the battery. Once the BMS is folded back, peel the sticker and protective bracket away. Using ceramic scissors, cut through both the BMS plates. Reapply a new protective sticker and fold it tight around the BMS. Then press against the flex and make sure it's straight. Connect the flex to the battery and firmly press the BMS into place along the edge of the battery. Once you're happy with the positioning, you'll need to use the double-sided sticker provided to stick the BMS down. Next, loosely fit the battery and screen and turn the phone on. The important battery message will show and the battery health information will not be available. Turn the phone off and on again, and if the battery has been fitted correctly, the battery health will show as 100% and the battery message will not show. Complete the repair by wrapping the BMS against the side of the battery with a protective sticker for a neat finish. Use battery adhesive to fit the battery as normal, and once you've refitted the screen, turn the phone on and check everything is working as normal.